from? What do you do?
What up, I'm Avalanche, the architect from T-Dot, and I'm a battle rapper / rapper. And I want to shout out, first of all, Rough Riders president, my boy Loco, came down when everybody tried to blacklist me in Toronto. He's the one that stuck with me, brought the crew down, came out for my video Dreamcatcher. BMMP, Steve, Mino, Darren, Sean, Gangsta, Darren, fucking who else? And, oh fuck, how did I forget Erica? And Yankee's son, Flacco.
Okay.
This guy's dad's a gangsta. Okay, anyways, let's go. We're gonna kick off the first track.
Which one you want?
Oh, actually, first, don't forget to check me on Twitter under Avalanche the Archie, www.avalanchethearchitect.com. My tracks on iTunes, Amazon, Rhapsody, all that. And yeah, okay, let's go.
What track you want, bro?
The first one. Give me my money.
No homo, I got money on my mind, so I'm grinding for my dough. Auto dips, full clips, we got this. Bodies getting laid out because just give me my money. Just give me my money.
Motherfucker.
Just give me my money. Just give me my money. Motherfucker. Give me my money. Tonight you know what's give me my money. Motherfucker. Just give me my money, man. There's Avalanche, give me my money. Motherfucker.
I'ma kick down the door in this bitch. Fuck with my dough and I'll make you fucking switch. God grave diggers, digging a ditch. A matter of fact, fuck, hand me the clip. I'ma turn the smirk into a frown. Put you underground where you won't be found. Beat you so bad I have you screaming in A minor. Bury you so deep you only be felt by A minor. You a pedophile, you fuck with A minor. Eat a nigga food, call me A minor. Stab a nigga up, young nigga, pedophile. Know your background, cause I pedophile. You touch kids, cause you a pedophile. I shoot guns, I spray marijuana. I'm Viagra, make tracks out of blood rush to your head. Hit you with slug one, touching your dead. Hit you in the arm, blood rush to your leg. Ambulance moving slow, but you be rushing instead. After children of the corn, I'm a savage. Living where you can't hear screams an advantage. You an A-rapper, wrap your head in a bandage. Standing great size for flesh to scavenge. My dudes rape and kill, but not in that order. We got a drug mules caught up at the border. You a bitch, I wanna split your face into. You do things, I rat your place into a landfill. And where your body's adjacent to. Put you underground, just like a basement do. Shoot you in the foot, you think your head was on fire. Have you screaming louder than Alexis on fire. My limbs hot, like Alexis on fire. You toast, like Texas on fire.
Fucking no homo, I got money on my mind, so I'm grinding for my dough. Auto dips, full clips, we got this. Bodies getting laid out because just give me my money. Just give me my money. Motherfucker, just give me my money. Just give me my money.
Get my money. Get my money.
That's my single on iTunes. If you want to hear the full thing, download it. Okay.
Sissy! With the key!
Alright, next track, go. Avalanche, Gaza Town, Avalanche Town, one, yo. Avalanche, bring a ding, ding, ding. The necklace and the pusher go bling, bling, bling. The Lamborghini, get the hose wet. The 44 Bulldog rips off your whole neck. Everyone screams, blood starts to splatter. Overwhelmed with fear, you release your bladder. I love to play a young dude, I'm the death adder. I'm a commemorative, step like a ladder. Bounce, you better get the 9 protects my diamond baguette. The bulletproof vest does nothing for your neck. are disciplined. Thanks to Sonya Harry, the pigs are listening. You don't really want it. Want it. You don't really want it. Want it. You don't really want it. Want it. You don't really want it. Nah, nigga. No, you don't. You don't want it. Avalanche, I get busy. I'm tired of telling these niggas. Wanna hate? Go ahead. I'ma get this money. Yeah. I'm gonna keep my feet up and get this money. Yeah. That's what I do. That's what I do, nigga. That's what you do. Double legal M50P. I'm a sniper. You need a diaper. My shells are real in for niggas that's hyper. Duck down. My niggas buck rounds. I buck shot. This is buck down. Turn a pit bull into a buck now. Perm your hair. Pimp cop now. Salutations, Justin Parks. Give him a nig. I wish Richard Cathcart could give another pig. Summertime shootout. Ooh, I got the ooh out. Doggy got your chick. Ooh, I'll do a do-out. Body blow a cloud in your back. I'll blow your crew out. 20 guns, 40 guns. Ooh, call your crew out. 20 guns, 40 guns. Ooh, call your crew out. 20 guns, 40 guns. Ooh, call your crew out. 20 guns, 40 guns. Ooh, call your crew out. Avalanche. Jump. I get busy. Avalanche. I get busy. You don't want it. Nigga, you don't want it.
Damn. That's hardcore, man. That's what's up. That's what's up, bro. I love the stage energy, seriously.
Thank you.
That's what's up.
Thank you.
You guys, we got a Twitter wall going over there. If you guys got just hashtag Big Mike TO, add Big Mike TO. Anybody adds anything, go shows up over there. Yeah. Next track, what you want, bro?
Yeah, the next one, very next one.
It's the heartbeat of the people. The gift of people, I want to give the people who can't afford to go to big concerts. Some of these people do not even have TV, so they can't afford cable. Some of them can't afford a radio, so the only thing they can listen to is the music. People from the ghetto, people from the projects, street people, article ghetto youth who know what it is to sing about suffering and reality.
New York girl, them a mad over way. New York girl, them a mad over way. New York girl, them a mad over way. New York girl, them a mad over way.
Avalanche, night shadow, Lamborghini flow. Me and Pistol Pete, energy throw a ball. That's it, that's high, looking like a low. 12 gauge, a Uzi, make a nigga know. Dream catchers, red rovers, bottle caps. Snow to Lion Thunder, wherever he's at. New Super Cat. Where you at, Lion?
Yeah, put him up, put him up.
Lion!
Where is he?
Fucking guy. All right. Last track. Actually, I sent this track out to... Please don't tell me that. It's a WAV file. It's a WAV file. If it gets loaded up, this track goes out to my nigga Loco from the Rough Riders. He did the video with me for Dreamcatcher. And check it out on YouTube. 71,000 views and going. Yeah, Avalanche. I'm gonna tell you the end of the story. Capadonna told me. These niggas ain't got shit on me. Bitch, you ain't got nothing on the rich. Every other day my whole press gon' switch. Bitch, you ain't got nothing on the rich. Every other day my whole press gon' switch. That's how I tell them. Tell them. I'ma get them. Come on. Avalanche get busy. The lyrics is right. Avalanche is handsome, the mirror is right. I shine on niggas like I mirror the light. Veteran of war cause I'm aware of the fight. You think it's homosexual, you're wearing the tights. Avalanche, Jesus, beats the diamonds too bright. 38 snub nose, whatever you like. Yo, weed, that's how you're riding your bike. Yo, weed, you need more than a knife. Yo, weed, you better head to the light. Yo, weed, so I heard you wanna fight. You an industry hoe, and need the bitch of the dyke. Battle line king of the dot. Maybe I might. My metaphors in your application to bite. Lift you out the ground like you're flying a kite. She never fucked pussy, you flying a pipe. Never said $100 line, you're right. I wanna brawl, I'm dying to fight. You're not ready to die for a mic. On YouTube, you die for a like. You ain't got nothing on the rich. Every day my whole dress code switch. You ain't got nothing on the rich. Every day my whole dress code switch. You ain't got nothing on the rich. Every other day my whole dress code switch. You ain't got nothing on the rich. Every other day my whole dress code switch. Not a problem to put a mill on your block. Coroner van with the hand on the chalk. I ain't talking birds when you handle the cock. I'll take it to your fam, I'll put my hands on your pops. This is where the hand wringing will stop. Wear gloves when I put the thing in the Glock. Want no whip that I bring to the shop. The gas money, you get the bitch shot. Block huggers, 12 gauge in the nickel tuckers. New Jack cocaine, Chris Tucker. I'll get you bourbon or a Turkish delight. Green corn like the Amish alike. Pandemic, Bin Laden, green clovers. Have a ton of trauma in your Green Rover. Maserati introduced me to the stew maker. Body blow impact like shoemaker. Heavy 9, I walk the street with Heavy 9. Yo, we talk shit, moving right every time. I'm like a jewel, drop, change and pick up every time. I got a protocol in every line. Yeah. Yeah. BMMP, back. Rough Riders, back. Woodland, where you at? Woodland, And one thing I want to say, if you know Johnny Snapchat, fuck himself.
Avalanche, the architect, ladies and gentlemen. Make some noise.